Hello, I'm Yvonne from Step by Step Farming, and today I am going to grow an avocado seed. Now I want to take you through the process step by step. This is the avocado seed that we have. It doesn't look like your typical avocado seed that we get from the grocery store. In fact, I got this when my husband and we took a trip to Florida, and my husband wanted to try out some of their tropical fruits and tropical produce. And we tried an avocado. It was about as big as my hand. And I've never seen this variety before. I really don't even remember the name, the specific name for it. But this is the actual seed that we brought back. It doesn't look like, it almost looks like a walnut. So we're going to attempt to see if we can grow our own avocado tree. And I want to take you all with me, and hopefully it will begin to grow. All right, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need is basically you're just going to need a jar. We're going to fill that up with water and about 3 to possibly even 4 toothpicks. So this is the avocado seed here, and you'll see, if you'll notice, that it has like a couple of lines that go here, and when I turn it around, you'll see like this line slit. We are going to put the toothpicks not in those lines, not in here. We're going to put them to the side of that. So also you'll notice right here, this is the opening, and that's where the roots are going to come out of. So we are going to put it upside down. So when you have an avocado seed, if you decide to try to grow one yourself, make sure that you check where the kind of the indentation is, and you're going to flip it upside down. And this is, we're going to place our toothpicks at an angle, and we're going to find just an area right here, and we're going to press it in like so. And let's find this right here, and we'll do one more side, and we'll put it right there. All right, now let's go ahead and fill this up with some water. Okay, you can use any kind of jar that I just have a ball jar. You can use a plastic cup. It doesn't matter what you use. If it's see-through, it will allow you to be able to see it better. But I filled it pretty much almost up to the top, and I'm going to place the avocado in with the toothpicks facing up. You don't want to completely submerge the avocado, just mostly. And basically, we're just going to let this sit, and we're going to wait, and we're going to document how many days it's going to take before we actually begin to see something come out of it. Hello everyone, I wanted to give you a very short update on how our avocado is doing from the first time we put it in the water. So it's been 2 weeks, and this is what has happened so far. So if you can see, the seed is actually beginning to crack open on its own. All right, and then my little root is starting to form, and I don't know if this is, hope you guys can see this pretty good, but if you notice, like there's some pieces like right down there that's starting to shoot out. So I'm just keeping this in the windowsill. It's been 2 weeks, and already we're getting a root, so I will keep you all posted.